as I've said, I've been doing coaching for several companies, and we have evolved a process that helps that objective of preparing the employees to become better at what they're
Mm.
doing with the use of AI. And in fact, I've always insisted on calling AI not as artificial intelligence, but as augmented intelligence. I
Mm.
think we've tackled that in one of our
True,
episodes.
true.
Yeah, because what we want AI to be able to do for the users is to augment their capabilities, just
Mm.
like what we're doing with the teachers. They're very good at doing what do, but it takes them too long, right?
Mm.
And the problem is that it takes them away from the more important task that they should be doing, which is caring for their students, teaching, especially those who are lagging behind.